Today's August 20th, 2014. Dr. Joe Resnick here. A continuation of an experiment I started the other night with my experimental Encapsulated beehive. This is a native beehives in Malaysia, are typically found in the forests, and the bees, there are about 30 species of stingless bees in Malaysia, and they live inside of a tree trunk, one that's been, has a diseased, and of course they make use of it, and it's called the Encapsulated here in Malaysia. So the other day I started an experiment with my beehive here, and I put some of the micro-encapsulated stevia in these feeding pans, and it looks like it's being diminished. And this is Professor Zane's Encapsulated. It's a little smaller than mine, but it looks like his tray is being uptaken as well. And this is we've got it located under a rather large, this is a sour mango. So a nice little garden area here. I'll move back. They need lots of shade, and keep in mind these are not aggressive. These won't attack you. But let me take the lid off. Let's see what we look like today. Okay, now you'll recall the other night that I poked a hole in the top of the Encapsulated here, and you notice the bees have all but filled it back in, and they've taken in a lot of this stuff. What we're going to do this morning is we're going to open this hole back up. I'm going to take some of this propolis out of here. We're going to make you work today, ladies. We're going to make you work. And in addition, what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can't get them to start making some honey up here. So I'm going to put this inside, a little bit large. It's just an ice cube tray. They're starting to swarm a little bit on me. I'm going to put this lid back on, get out of here and leave them alone. Whoops, let this off. Let me put this back on. Getting ahead of myself. I like these to start during the day. You can see they're getting pretty excited in there. Let's cover that back up. Put the brick back on. And we'll check on them. I'll come out and check on them this evening. Let me back away from the hive. We'll come back and check on them this evening, see what they look like. They're going back in the hive now. So we'll just come back and we'll check on them later this evening, see how they're doing. Okay.